So nobody loves a good spa day or a spa treatment more than I do. However, in this economy, those treatments can start to add up. So I've been using the SIMA dermaplaning system from Spa Sciences. Comes with 6 additional blades. Plus, guys, it's rechargeable, so no more running around the house looking for batteries. Here's a close-up of all that peach fuzz on my face, and now here's a close-up of the blade. So let's get to work. I always start on a dry, freshly washed face. Now, I've seen people use a light oil or lubricant like aloe vera gel, but I prefer to use it on dry skin because I feel like I get the best results that way. So starting on my forehead, I'd like to make sure that my skin is pulled nice and taut, and I just go in a downward motion. Never want to go upwards because you want to go in the direction of the hair growth. So why do mature women need to dermaplane? Well, first, it's going to get rid of all that peach fuzz, which I actually feel like is out of control now that the perimenopause is here. If you guys haven't checked out my video on how perimenopause is wreaking absolute havoc on my body, you can check it out right here. Second, it's going to get rid of all that dead skin to reveal more youthful, glowing skin, because as we get older, our skin cell turnover takes longer. So dermaplaning is going to help to kind of sort of speed up that process. Lastly, your makeup is going to go on like butter now that that peach fuzz and dead skin is gone. I love the way this tool glides so easily across the skin. No tugging, no pulling, no nothing. I also love that it's rechargeable because if you're anything like me and you have to find batteries in your house, you just have to take them out your remote control. And like I said in the beginning of the video, dermaplaning at the spa can run you at least $100. And if you're going once a month, that's $1,200 a year. Compare that to the $33 that I paid for this tool, which actually comes with the 6 blades. And then once it's time for the additional blades, guess what? It's only an additional $10. So you guys do the math. Make sure you keep watching to the end so I can share my aftercare tips with you. I'm finished, and as you can see, it only took me a few minutes, but I wish you could feel how soft my skin is right now. Here's a close-up. You can see all that peach fuzz is gone. So here's some tips for aftercare. Always follow up with your, regular skincare routine. I'm just going in with some hyaluronic acid real fast, and then I'll follow with my serums. Always make sure you put on sunscreen. And it says that you can use it once a week. I typically don't, but it is safe to use once a week. Do not use it more than once a week. I really only use mine like once a month or so, but definitely do not use it more than once a week because I feel like it's going to over exfoliate your skin and you do not want that. And now that you're done, now that your skin is nice and soft, when I tell you your makeup is going to glide onto your skin, also your skincare products are going to absorb so much better. Like, I wish you guys could literally feel my skin. I feel like you can see how soft and supple and hydrated my skin looks. Like, those products are just going to soak right into my skin. So if you guys like this video, which I hope you did, make sure you hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And of course, turn on your notifications because guess what? You don't want to miss any videos. Also, comment down below and let me know if you ever tried dermaplaning. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.